Can you see my screen?
I can see your screen.
Yeah. So basically some basic questions. So first is on this payment. So when you're doing an international payment, right? So this correspondence bank is there. So when I'm going to initiate a transaction, is it mandatory that I should know that correspondent bank? Should I get it from the sender?
Okay, you don't have to worry on that part from the learning
Okay.
point of view. It is a
Huh.
mandate signed between two banks, okay, in the world. For example,
Okay.
HDFC Bank is mandate signed with Nigerian Bank. They don't have mandate because Nigerian Bank is far end of the world. You cannot
Mm,
sign a mandate with thousands of bank right here. So,
mm,
but
yeah.
at very high level, you can sign a mandate with HSBC Bank, Citibank. Okay, this is a mandate it is signed. But the
Okay.
mandate means the one-to-one relationship. Mandate means nostro and vostro concept. Okay, so
Okay.
that is
Okay.
taken care internally by the banks or the network
Oh.
system. So you don't have to worry. I mean to say, from the knowledge point of view, we don't have to worry that which bank has signed with which bank. So and that's why this corresponding banking system is involved in the banking system. For example, normally the USD, the US currency are mandate signed with all the banks in the world. So if you want to send payment to somewhere in the far in Nigeria, Zimbabwe, that time the Bank of New York,
Mm.
Bank of Milan or BNYM or Morgan Stanley, this will come into the picture and they will act as a correspondent from the sender side, receiver side as well. So in the same
Okay. So
country.
automatically they will take care. So if I'm initiating a payment with giving all the
Hmm.
receiver details from HDFC Bank, so the correspondent part it will be taken care by the
Okay,
bank by.
so if you are asking from the consumer point of view, you never know
Uh,
which banks are
okay.
involved. If you are asking from the
Okay.
knowledge point of view,
Knowledge. Yeah.
you only we should only understand that there is a mandate sign. Okay, nostro and
Oh.
vostro
Okay.
concept. That only we have to understand. Okay, from the
Okay.
corresponding banking concept.
Okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
yeah,
Yeah. Okay. And question two with relate to MT101 and 103.
hmm,
So almost I'm in the day 10. So MT10 messages I've seen. So just yesterday I got a confusion like 101 we are initiating a payment from the customer to the financial institution.
right.
So it can be one to one or one to many single request multiple beneficiary
Yeah,
or yeah, that is possible, right?
yeah, both is possible. Normally, what happened that MT101 it's like your salary. Okay, you are getting
Uh,
salary
uh,
from your vendor or your. So they are sending
okay.
MT101. It's containing multiple you can say multiple payments inside this one, and when it is
Okay.
reached to payment engine, the each and every separate payment has been they change it to a different part. So it's like a one to one, one to many as well, and one to one as well. So in this case
Okay.
is one to many. Okay, so for
Okay.
example, TCS is
And
sending payment to 2 lakh employees. So the
okay.
ultimate the data is the TCS bank, but the creditor are the your bank, HDFC Bank, my bank, ICICI Bank, or Morgan
Mm,
Stanley, Citibank, like that. So it is individually get converted, and their elements and inside the tax also getting changed according to that. But normally this will take place in the payment engine. They will convert single MT101 message into single MT10, multiple MT1, sorry, multiple MT101 in the single MT103 like this. Okay, next.
okay. And what about 102 also? Because they are also similar, right? They also have multi.
Yeah, they also have similar. See, both has having the similar role kind of here. Okay, the
Okay.
the the,
Mm,
the major difference always is like MT10 and MT102. MT101 is having normally it's having a single. See, normally both is having a defined separate role. But what I seen in my career, MT1
mm,
101 is carry also single debtor multiple creditor. Okay, in MT101,
mm,
but
okay.
MT10 also I seen that is multiple debtor multiple creditor means multiple you it's contain a single file having multiple debtor multiple creditor, but in MT102 it is
Mm,
always a multiple debtor multiple creditor. Okay,
oh,
okay,
okay.
okay, like that. But always from the knowledge point of view or interview
Mm,
point of view, okay, if you are
mm,
thinking, then
mm,
always consider MT101 only. MT101 and MT10. This is mostly getting discussed in interviews. Okay,
okay.
okay, MT101, MT103.
Okay. And also on the MT103 part, so MT103 can also have the same one to one and one to many,
No, no,
correct?
no, 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 no.
Okay.
MT103 is only having a single payment.
Okay, okay,
Only single
okay,
debtor, single creditor. Okay, so on the, I'm talking about ISO 220 language. It should be
uh,
single. You can say debtor means what you call who is having okay, I forgot. Oh, beneficiary, a single beneficiary
okay,
and single sender. Sender bank and receiver
okay,
bank single only. Okay, they
okay.
single means one entity only. Should not be a many entity. And also same carries in ISO 222. All the CBPR messages, for example,
Mm,
MT103 is converted into packset message. So packset
okay,
message also having a single entity only. You can only have a single payment here inside this
okay.
packset. Okay.
And for multiple entity, we have 101, correct?
Multiple
Is that?
entity, no, multi, see, initiating is multiple, but
Ah,
settlement is
okay.
single only.
Oh, okay.
Initiating is
Okay.
can be thousand, can be millions. As I told you, right? The salary part,
Mm,
initiating can be
mm,
multiple single file, but
okay.
processing or settlement, because PAX messages is nothing but payment, clearing, and settlement, which is
So,
as good as your MT103, right? So
okay,
clearing and settlement is only one at a time. So it could be
okay,
RTGS, it could be RTNS. Okay, that, so that depend on which settlement we are doing, but it is only a single payment only always.
okay. So bank to bank, that 103, that single beneficiary, and
No, 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 no.
some,
You are wrong here. It's not bank to bank.
okay,
Bank to bank it MT2 series. It is customer to
okay,
bank only, but it is
okay,
MT103. And what you're talking MT101, it is also customer to bank only, but it is customer initiated. It is
okay,
customer initiated from front end, and bank inside converted into payment to MT103, but it is still called as customer to bank only. Okay, bank, it is MT2 series. Okay,
okay.
so
Ah,
this is
yeah. Oh, okay. So in that case, so once when a 101 is initiated from customer, that
hmm,
message reaches the bank. So from the sender bank, the message is converted as 103,
hmm.
and it will be going to the receiver bank. Is
Receiver
that
bank.
correct?
Yes, yes, correct understanding.
Okay. Okay. That format only we are seeing in the 103, that particular
Yes,
tags and
yes,
everything.
yeah, because it should be understood in a CBPR language. So maybe you
Okay.
have come to that video, I don't know, but there are
Mm,
rules are defined. If you are initiating a payment between customer to bank, the rules are
mm.
defined in a CGI MP format. So it is there in somewhere video.
Okay.
Okay, the if you are
Okay.
sending payment between customer to bank, okay, customer to bank,
Okay.
bank to bank, this is it is involved in CBPR format, cross border format. Okay, and
Oh,
if you are sending
okay.
between payment between same country and same currency, it is high value payment system, HVPS. It will be in the some of the video, you'll come to know this.
I saw the three CGIMP, HV, high
Yes,
value payments,
yeah,
and
yeah,
one more.
yeah, yeah.
Okay. And yeah, question three. Yeah, so when empty, this conversion is migrated rate number 25.
Hmm.
So, so currently, what is the scope? So, should we need to understand the empty messages or
Okay, I will tell you.
the need of it?
I will tell you. Okay, so see, it is already done, but still many messages are still is coming in the past in empty only. And even still some banks is supporting empty only messages, and
Okay.
moreover, okay, this is from the current organization point of view. But we are looking to crack the interview also, right? We are to want to
Mm,
job also in this field. Still, in
yeah.
the many areas, if you go for interview, they start with empty only. They want to
Okay.
check your under because MT is best. Yes, it has been used since 30 years, and suddenly they
Okay.
cannot change their knowledge anybody, right, in 1 year. So in
Mm,
many interviews, it start with MT only. They will take you left and right and each and every concept of MT, and they will come
mm,
to the MX. But they will ask you the migration also. So to know the
mm,
migration how happens, you should know the concept
mm,
of MT also, right? Because the
mm.
structure, because this November 26, we are unstructured address is totally getting removed. So if you know understand what is unstructured and structured address, you have to understand how this is built in address is filled in empty messages. So you have to learn
Okay.
thoroughly empty messages. I recommend always, that's why I given focus lot. Almost if you see
Mm,
my training, I have revamped the training as you said. I am just working on that only since many days now.
mm,
MT103 I have almost MT103 only I am taking.
mm.
MT103 almost having now 12 videos. Okay, 12 videos and 547 videos hours minutes of learning. 547. Okay, alone MT103. So I have changed it. And if you are talking about pax 8 message, which is the next important message, if you learn MT103 and pax 8, your learning is done. Okay, but still I have included many. And pax 8 message contains 17 videos and 720 minutes of learning. Okay, so many huge is given concentration.
Oh,
And
okay.
even I reduce the scope also in the day wise. I mean to say not reduce the scope, but the day I reduced. Okay,
Mm,
so what I did, for example, day
okay.
6 required currently for 10 hours 10 days to learning, so I kept everything in a single folder, day 6. But you have to learn
Mm,
only 6 days only. Okay, one by one,
okay.
because daily 1 hour if you're learning, you have to learn for 6
Mm,
days. But I kept everything in a single way, in a single file
o-
only. Okay, so for
okay.
example, if you open a day 6, you will contain only MT103. Earlier it was MT1, day 6, day 7, day 8, day 9, as I teach, right? But now it is combined in a
Yeah.
single file only. So you will
Okay.
see that here as well. Okay, next question.
Yeah. So for in the interview point of view, I can so I should learn the message format, the
Yeah,
fields inside that,
right.
the important tags. That is
You should remember everything now. This is
okay.
so. If I ask you, if you wake up in the sleep, I ask you, can you tell me the important fields of MT103? You should able to tell me. Can you define all the blocks of MT103? You should able to tell me block 1, what is block 2, what is block 3, where I can find the direction of the payment, where is the tailor of the payment, what is the significance of block 5, what is significance
Mm.
of 59, 57, 72. So you should remember
Okay.
everything. It is there in the videos. I will ask you to to
Okay.
go it twice and thrice and four times, because
Okay.
ultimately here there is no technical thing, right? Only domain has been asked,
Mm.
so you have to remember all these things.
Right. And last two questions related to on the real-time projects and the testing part. So,
Hmm.
for example, I'm going through all these things, and for interview perspective, first thing would be is to have a project. So, if I put in my resume, so I have worked on a migration project. What are my roles? And in case if it is a new application like banks or Finesta, I have worked, so what would be my role? So how the testing has happened? I just thinking in that perspective. So how we can correlate this into my experience? Might be if it is too early, but
Definitely it's too early for you, because what I'm saying, if you
mm,
get calls, right, you will lose the
mm,
calls. You lose the
mm,
good company calls, because if I give you everything now itself, you will put it, you will get a calls, you will start
mm,
appearing, and before completing, because you can imagine daily I take a 40 days to person to learn this course, and if you try to cover everything, what my
mm,
observation says in a daily learning, though they are attending a daily classes with me, if I ask
mm,
you what happened in a day 6, and if I am currently going on day 10, right, they will forgot. In many my videos
mm,
you can see that people not able to answer, associate not able to answer, because what happened, they understand
mm,
now what's going on now, but they forgot in the
mm,
past. And when you
okay.
appear for the interview, right, that time
Mm,
40 days of learning you have to explain in a 30 minutes. So
mm,
definitely you are going to forget and you mix up everything. Okay,
okay.
and in this way you will lose your attempt. So what I recommend you, if you are quick
Mm,
learner and you are attending daily many videos, to do
mm,
one thing, to try to recap thing, try asking question the same thing which I asked to the people in the videos, right? Try you asking the
okay.
same question for the previous day, and try to answer
Okay.
yourself. Okay, don't make a hurry.
Okay.
Don't make a hurry now
Okay.
itself. I will recommend, because you
Okay.
lose the attempts. Okay, in this way,
Okay. Okay.
that I will recommend. Okay, I
Okay.
will give
So
you,
in
definitely. We will give you,
um
but don't make a
uh,
hurry. I'm here only. Always I'm here. See, just now you pinged me, right? And you asked me a help, and
yeah.
I attended a call. I explained you everything. I am definitely going to do that in futures also, but
Okay.
have a patience. Okay.
Okay. Sure.
I think you just now taken a course. I think maybe not more than 10 days also. How many days?
Yeah, last week, I think last week, Thursday or Friday, I've
Friday
taken.
only, right? Only 6 days
And
only.
yeah,
Don't make a hurry then.
6 days.
Don't make a hurry at all. Okay. At least learn
Okay.
for 20, 25 days, 30 days,
Okay.
and listen it. Try to listen it, and what I can say, that is this is my process as well. Whatever videos
Mm,
you learn, right? For example, today, by
mm,
if you learn it afternoon, try to summarize yourself in a summary in your notepad. In your notepad
okay.
means you take a pen and paper and write down what you learned today, at least high level
Okay.
points. Okay, try to remember. And if you're missing something, then go again the video and learn again. In this way
Okay.
you'll try to him, because now you just started. Now you have to learn
Mm.
pack set, packs 9, then integration, everything. This is so huge. Okay,
Mm.
and an interview in 30-40 minutes they can ask you anything. Okay, that
Okay.
from that point of view, right? So I will recommend to do that, like, okay. I will come, I will
Okay.
definitely will going to discuss again. Okay, like the query
Okay.
you asked me today, definitely we're going to in futures as well. Okay, can you show
Okay.
me the folder how it is look like at your end? I want to just see, because I'm changing, making many changes here, the share drive.
Yeah. That's
Okay,
okay.
and I'm adding some videos also. I'm time to time also will note it down here. Yeah? Okay, can you show me the main folder here?
Yeah. So
Okay,
I think now it's little bit
right,
better.
right. It's look like better, right? Okay,
Yeah.
great. See, you can see May 31st. Okay, that's, can you go down yesterday only, right? I make changes on day 11. See, June 11. Can you open anyone the day 11? Yeah, day 11. Okay, okay. Can you do one thing? Can you click on the right hand side part where the go on the upper, click on, yeah, upper right. I'm sorry, right. Go down here. Click on that. Okay, fine. Okay, you can see this as well, right? Great. Yeah. Okay. Cool. Cool. Fine. Okay. Go
Yeah.
through it. We'll see again
Okay.
then. Yeah. Oh,
Okay.
yeah.
Fine.
Yeah. Cheers. Bye.
Uh, uh,
Okay. Anything?
just 1 second. 10200 bank. Okay. No. So this I saw some messages on the day 10 MT N92 N95. So
Okay.
there I got a confusion
Okay.
that
Okay.
N
Okay.
means it's one or
Okay, I will come back to you. Okay. See, N means this is message applicable to all the formats, not only one series, two series, five series. It is applicable to all the series. So N means any
okay.
number. So you can use it for one series also, two also, three also, four. The function will remain the same. It is the meaning of that.
Oh,
With,
okay. Query means I can have a query in 101 as well. I can have it in two series as well. Okay.
N means the first initial number.
Okay.
Can you
Right.
open one video? I will go. Can you open 14, day 14? I have newly changes make day 14. Yeah. Okay. Can you go to April 26th, first one? Okay. Can you run any video for me? Any video? I just want to see how it is look like. I'm making changes also, as per you said to me. Okay, close it. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Close it.
Yeah.
Okay,
Okay.
close it. Okay, close it. Close it. I can see it's good. Okay. Okay. Even go to right hand side again. The four dots. Okay. Can you able to download it?
Yeah.
Okay,
I can
fine,
do.
fine, fine. Okay. Okay, fine. You can close it. Yeah, fine. What I recommend
Okay.
to others as well, don't download it, because I am making changes
Mm.
always. So once you download, you will not come
Uh,
back to this folder again, right?
okay. Yeah.
Like I'm doing now also. So in the same fashion.
Mm. Okay. I can follow the latest one, right?
Yeah, yeah,
April
yeah. No, go
26th.
for
That should be
latest
fine.
and go for the earlier as well, because this contain earlier the interview questions also somebody has asked me. Okay, so recover
Okay.
or refer all the versions of the videos, not only the latest one also. I will also
Okay.
recommend so to see, right? Okay.
Okay.
And anything if I miss